The Disable Update Quantity feature app helps user to prevent an unauthorized modifications to the quantity of the product. This app provides a simple solution for disabling the update quantity feature for the certain users in Odoo. Now, at first we need to check whether this user have the access to update quantity or not. So for that we need to get into the settings. Under user and companies, let me get into the user. So after installing this module, every user can see an option named on-hand quantity in the user page. So if we have checked this option, so that particular user have the access to change the on-hand quantity. If we have unchecked this particular option, that particular user didn't have any access to change the on-hand quantity. So let it be. Let's get back to the inventory and see how it actually works. So let me get into the inventory. Under products, let me get into one of the products. So this particular user didn't have any access for updating. So for that, after installing this module, user can see update quantity button which is invisible. Okay, and like the same way, let me get into the on-hand quantity, and it will show, and from here the user can change, but it will show a warning for the users for create and update the quantity of the product. Okay, so for example, let me update it. I need to update the 10 quantities right away here. Okay, let me save this one and give an apply. Yeah, it will show an validation error like you didn't have an access rights for update the on-hand quantity. So let me give an access for this user and check how it actually works. So for giving an access, we need to get into the user, and under that we can see an on-hand quantity. Let's give an access to this particular user. Now let me get into the product and see how the changes will be made. Let me refresh this page, and from here user can see, after giving an access to the user, that particular user can see an update quantity button and update the quantity from here itself. Like the same way, they can get into the on-hand quantity and see now the user can create or update the product quantity right away here. So for example, if I need to create or update the quantity for an 100. Okay, now let me save this one, and from here when I click on the apply, you can see on-hand quantity will be changed. So in this way we can make use of this module to restrict the update quantity features in Odoo. Thank you for watching.